Over 60 and noticing things slowing down there? Listen closely, because there's one everyday fruit that might be the natural boost your blood flow has been waiting for. You're lucky you clicked this video, because in the next few minutes, I'm going to reveal how one powerful fruit can unclog your circulation, support stronger performance, and restore the energy and confidence you thought you'd lost. It's backed by science, it's easy to find in any grocery store, and it tastes delicious. Now, I could just blurt out the name of the fruit right now, but I want you to stick with me, because the story of how scientists discovered its unique power is fascinating. And when you hear it, you'll understand why men over 60 can't afford to ignore it. But first, quick favor, drop a comment below and tell me, where are you watching from? I love seeing men from all over the world building this community. And if you find this video helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe so you don't miss future health tips. All right, let's dive in. Here's the myth most men believe. Things slow down because I'm getting old and there's nothing I can do about it. Sound familiar? Well, it's not the whole story. Yes, age plays a role, but in most cases, the real culprit is circulation. Your cardiovascular system is like a highway. When traffic flows freely, everything works beautifully. Your brain gets oxygen to stay sharp, your muscles get nutrients to stay strong, and yes, the most personal parts of your body get the blood flow they need to perform on command. But as you age, traffic jams start to form. By 60, your body produces about half as much nitric oxide as it did when you were 20. Nitric oxide is like the traffic controller of your blood vessels. It tells them when to relax and open so blood can surge through. Less nitric oxide equals clogged highways equals weaker performance. And here's the kicker. The smallest blood vessels are the first to suffer. Guess where many of those are? Exactly. Down there. That's why circulation problems often show up in the bedroom before anywhere else. Hi, I'm Dr. Jocelyn, a urologist with over 5 years of clinical experience helping men just like you restore confidence and vitality. I've sat across from hundreds of men who came into my office looking discouraged, even ashamed, because they felt their best years were behind them. But after digging into the science and guiding them through a few simple changes, I've seen those same men walk back in weeks later, smiling, energized, proud. And one of the tools I often recommend is the fruit we're talking about today. Let's count this down step by step so you understand exactly why this fruit is so powerful. Mistake number 1, ignoring blood flow decline. Most men assume low energy or weak performance is just aging, but the root cause is usually circulation. Without healthy blood flow, nothing functions well. Not your brain, not your muscles, not your erections. Emotionally, this leads to frustration and self-doubt. Practically, it shows up as sluggish mornings, shortness of breath, and lack of spark in intimacy. Mistake number 2, overlooking nitric oxide. As I mentioned, nitric oxide is your body's traffic controller. By 60, levels are cut in half, and free radicals destroy much of what little you do produce. It's like trying to fill a bucket with water when the bucket is full of holes. Your body still tries, but it leaks out almost immediately. Mistake number 3, depending only on medications. Now, there's nothing wrong with medications when needed, but they're expensive, temporary, and often come with side effects. Worse, they don't fix the root problem. Wouldn't you rather strengthen the system itself so performance comes naturally? The solution, the pomegranate. Enter the hero of our story, the pomegranate. Most guys walk right past it in the produce aisle. Maybe they think it's too messy or too expensive or just another health fad. But here's the truth. Pomegranate is loaded with unique compounds called L-gitannins and punicalagins. Think of them as bodyguards for your nitric oxide. They patch the holes in your bucket, protecting nitric oxide molecules from being destroyed. That means higher levels stay active in your blood vessels, keeping those highways open and unclogged. And here's the fascinating backstory. In the 1990s, Nobel Prize-winning scientist Dr. Luis Ignarro discovered nitric oxide's crucial role in cardiovascular health. Later research showed that pomegranate juice was up to 10 times more effective than blueberry juice at protecting nitric oxide. 10 times, that's not a small edge, that's a game changer. So how do you put this into practice? Let's make it practical. The dose. Studies show about 8 ounces of pure pomegranate juice daily is optimal. Not pomegranate cocktails, not pomegranate flavored drinks. Only 100% pure juice. Check the label carefully. Timing. The sweet spot is 30 to 60 minutes before activity, whether that's exercise, yard work, or yes, intimacy. This is when protective compounds peak in your bloodstream. Consistency. The effects build over time, like compound interest. Within 30 minutes, levels start rising. At 2 hours, they peak. After 4 weeks of daily use, studies found 47% of men reported noticeable improvements in erectile function. Cost perspective. A bottle of high-quality juice costs about $6 to $8 and gives 4 servings. That's about $1.50 to $2 per day, compared to $15 to $20 per pill for medications. And the long-term savings on heart health? Priceless. Budget tips. Buy larger containers on sale or frozen concentrate. It's just as effective. Fresh pomegranates are also great, especially in season from October to February. 1 large fruit equals about 1 glass of juice. Taste hacks. Too tart? Mix with tart cherry juice, add a squeeze of lemon, or dilute slightly with water. Still effective, easier to enjoy. Now I know what you might be thinking. Doc, can 1 fruit really make that much difference? And my answer is yes, when it addresses the root cause. Because this isn't just about stronger performance in the bedroom. It's about circulation throughout your entire body. It's about waking up with energy, climbing stairs without getting winded, enjoying walks with your wife, feeling younger, sharper, and more alive. You're not broken. You're not past your prime. Your body simply needs the right fuel and protection to do what it was designed to do. So here's my challenge to you. On your next grocery trip, pick up a bottle of 100% pomegranate juice. Start with 1 glass a day for 4 weeks. Notice your mornings, notice your energy, notice the spark returning in ways you thought were gone for good. Because age is not the end of vitality. Small, natural changes, like this 1 fruit, can restore comfort, freedom, and confidence in your life. If you found this video helpful, hit like, subscribe, and share it with a friend who could use this message. And don't miss my next video, where I'll reveal the worst everyday foods silently draining men's testosterone after 60. Take care of yourself. Your future self will thank you.